He whenua ahumahi e whakarite hiana e whanake hiana.
If you think about your builder or your mechanic or someone like that who wants to own their own piece of land and put their own building on it and sort of control their destiny, that's the market we're satisfying here, which in Christchurch is actually very hard to find.
Ko timata pau whenua Ngai Tahu Property ki te whakariteri te whenua hai taiwhaka ahumahi hai hoko atu. Ko kairua me tāwhiri ka ikua o ka taiwhaka ahumahi. Ka mutu ko māhunu I kura tai ao te rōpu hāwhina ki te kimi I te ikua tika hai ikua moe nei wāhi e rua.
In 1868, Tāwhiri had this, made a claim to have this area set aside for Mahinakai reserves. Anyhow, that was dismissed because the land had already been sold. But, you know, by working with MKT and being able to use his name, it provides Ngāi Tahu Property the opportunity to acknowledge his rangatiratanga.
Kairua is named after Hapakuku Kairua, who was a chief from Kaiapoi, who put in a claim in 1868, I think it was, for this land, which was traditionally Mahinakai food gathering and resource gathering area.
He kōwhirika pai e nei whenua ahumahi hai hoko mai mā ka pakihi iti me ka pakihirahi.
Yeah, there's 31 sites in the land here. That range from about 800 square metres up to 4,500 square metres. And typically we're aiming these at the small to medium enterprise market.
Manufacturing, warehousing, production, engineering. So it's a broad range of uses.
Kai te rohe o Hombiki o tautahi te taiwhaka o Kairua. Kai te rohe o Roretana ki Herewini a Tāwhiri. Ko te whaeka ia kia hei te iwi ki te hoko whenua ahumahi a koe nei. He nare te aika puanaki, Tahu News.